Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a random tensor with PyTorch. As always, we start by importing the package. We have to import torch and run this. And now we can create our random tensor. So we can easily do that by just calling torch.rand. And in here we just need to specify the size. So this is going to create a tensor with 3 by 3 elements. And that's basically it. If we run it again, you will see that the numbers have changed. If you want to, for whatever reason, make sure that the numbers are the same, and every time you run it, you will end up getting the exact same numbers, you can call manual seed in advance. And this is making sure that the randomness is controlled on your computer. So you know that the randomness is just pseudo randomness. So this is making sure that every time you get the same random numbers. And that's it. So here you have seen how you can call torch.rand. You have to specify the size of the object that you want to have. And then you can quickly create a tensor, which you can use for testing the forward pass through a network. For example, this is one example where I use random tensors a lot, but there might be also other applications. Thank you and goodbye.